Today I'm going to talk to you about using McNally's automated Hours of Service application. Once you are logged into the system, locate the Hours of Service icon on the main menu. Tapping on this icon will bring you into the Hours of Service summary screen. This screen allows you to do 4 things. Change your duty status information, review your available driving and on-duty hours for the week, review the reset hours remaining, access different features within the HOS and DVIR application. Now that you're in the Hours of Service application and familiar with the screen, let's go ahead and start your day by putting yourself in on-duty mode. To do this, simply tap the on-duty button in the lower portion of the screen and then enter the required information. If you already are working on an active trip or load, you can also go to on-duty mode by tapping on the Trip Info button. The Trip Info screen collects critical information such as VOL number, co-driver, trailers, and any required remarks. After the information has been entered, press the Submit button. If your company has electronic DVIR enabled on your system, you'll be prompted to complete a vehicle inspection report. For more information on McNally's DVIR functionality, please refer to another training video also available. Now that you are on duty, it's time to certify or electronically sign logs from the previous day. To certify your logs, press the Logs tab at the top of your screen. This will take you to a screen displaying log information for the last 8 days, including the present day. In order to certify, you must start with your oldest logs first. Prior to certifying your log, you should review the duty status information for a particular day. Tap on the date of the log. This will take you to the duty status time graph. Please note that some fleets do not allow log changes to be made on the device. Contact your driver manager to find out your company's policy. Once you are satisfied that your logs are correct, tap on the Certify button. Click Yes to complete the certify process. Once a log is certified, a green check will appear next to the date for the log that you just certified. Press each following log to repeat the process. Once you've certified your logs, you can start driving. The system will automatically put you in driving status after you've traveled a company set distance. Typically, that's 1 mile. You can also manually put yourself into driving mode by clicking on the Driving Duty Status button. While driving, you will notice that the Hours of Service application limits your ability to make changes and edit your logs. This is all a part of McNally's Safe Driving Mode feature. When motion is detected, the system switches to a simplified timer mode that gives you a full screen view of the driving time that is available. When the vehicle is in compliance with Hours of Service rules, the time displays in green. When you are 1 hour away from being over the legal limit, the time will display in yellow. Once you are out of time and out of compliance, the time will display in red. As soon as you stop driving, the system will wait 5 minutes until it puts you back into on-duty status. Please note that the system will credit you back those 5 minutes of driving time. You can also make this change manually by selecting the on-duty button. Because the TND 760 automatically tracks when the vehicle is in motion, at the end of your day, all you have to do is tap either the off-duty or sleeper berth duty status buttons. Now let's talk about what to do during a roadside inspection. Before an inspection, make sure your logs from previous days have been certified. Certifying your logs allows the unit to be put into roadside audit mode. To access roadside inspection mode, start by tapping the Options tab. Putting the unit into roadside inspection mode locks the system so that your logs are displayed and no edits can be made. To do this, tap the Change Mode button and select Roadside Audit. Once you are ready to get out of roadside audit mode, go to Options, Change Mode, and then select Normal. You'll be prompted to enter your driver ID, then hit Unlock. To share your login information with officials, you can fax or email your logs. To do this, click the Fax and Email Logs button. Please be sure the fax number includes an area code. Also, be careful when entering the email address. You may want to read the email address back to the inspector. After you send the logs to the inspector, they will receive a PDF document containing a detailed summary of your last 8 days. Let's go through how to put your unit into personal conveyance mode. You may be able to use the personal conveyance rule. Be sure to check with your company's policy.
We do not have personal conveyance.
You'll first need to be in the off-duty mode. From there, select the Options tab. Then click on Change Mode, and then finally select Personal Conveyance. Notice that the text is in gray. This signifies you are in personal conveyance mode. Other options within the HOS application include the ability to request logs, send logs, change trucks, view violations, and also request the last DVIR. You can also view company information by clicking on the Company tab. This information is used to show information about your carrier and about the terminal your vehicle is assigned to. If you want more information or need further assistance, please contact McNally's customer support or visit our website.